Hey everybody, Victor from Victor G Photography, and I just wanted to show you a behind the scenes video of a 4th of July inspired shoot that I did at Folsom Lake about a week ago. And this is just how it all turned out. My setup that I brought, I ended up using my D750 with my 70-200 2.8 with an off-camera flash. I decided to use the off-camera flash because it was a Saturday morning, it was 10 a.m. and it was going to be 103 degrees outside. So it's stupid hot, there's no cloud coverage, and I needed something to be able to overpower the sun, quote unquote. Basically what I wanted to be able to do was underexpose the background enough so that it kind of gave a little bit of color and vibrance to everything while being able to add some light in. And with this, I was shooting in high-speed sync, which allows me to shoot over the shutter speed amount of 1/250th of a second. And I think I was somewhere around 1/4000th of a second, and I was shooting at 2.8. Reason why I brought the 70-200 is because, one, it's an excellent portrait lens, but also at 200 millimeters, I'm able to kind of crop the background enough so that the barrel distortion, what it ends up doing is it compresses the background a lot, and it creates this kind of effect where it looks like the background is zoomed in a lot, as well as it creates a beautiful bokeh in the background because everything just kind of falls off. And when they add that with some dramatic lighting, as well as just being outdoors, it creates a fantastic look. So let me know what you guys think, but check out the video now.
Alright, you can see with my setup, I have the 8600 to the left of the model, almost at 45 degrees, and then I have my 32-inch octo box shooting down on her. The settings for the strobe itself were about at half power in high-speed sync mode. And then for my camera, I had the 70-200 on, which I would range anywhere from 72 all the way up to 200 millimeters. My ISO was at 100 and my f-stop was at 2.8, just to give a really nice shallow depth of field. My shutter speed I had at 1/2000th of a second for the most part throughout the whole entire shoot. I would raise it and lower it just a little bit to be able to control the ambient light though. With this kind of thing, the recycle time for the 8600 is about 2 seconds with the at half power, but I mean, if you shoot slow and really frame your shot, you're going to be shooting that slow anyways, and the images that we got were incredible.
And that, as they say, is that. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If you liked it, if you didn't like it, if you have any constructive criticism, I would love to hear it. Otherwise, like, comment, subscribe, and make sure that you are notified for my next videos that are going to be coming out. But I will talk to you guys later.